Welcome in our Wudang Online Academy channel. So today we continue with the second sequence of the Gua Zhang form. Okay, we do each movement step by step and in different angles. So watch carefully. So the second sequence is as follows. When we finish our 8th step, we turn the dantian, also the hip rotation, come over and we step into 𝐸𝐸𝐶𝐸. Make the knee close, okay? The knee close, do not open. This kind of 𝐸𝐸𝐶𝐸 will look very strange. So close the knee and go a bit lower and try to keep the same high, okay? So after the 8th step, you go into, look how we step with the right leg. We're starting from here and you hook in, you see? The knees look inside and you hook in. At the same time you use rotation. So 1, 𝐸𝐸𝐶𝐸 and close the knees, okay? So here, 1, 𝐸𝐸𝐶𝐸. Relax the elbow and both hands, same line. Do not do it like this or this, okay? Same line, relax the shoulder and the elbow. Then you try first powerful movement, like this. You know? Here, you try open hip, you know. You stand 60-40, you know. So shift over to the left side. The left hand is up around ear high and the elbow relax. So we here, you stretch the upper body and make sure the hand look inside the circle. You open here, okay? And open hip. So this movement is powerful, okay? So after this one, you breathe in, now powerful, like turning, relax here. Now soft, gombo, you see? After powerful, you breathe in, soft, gombo, you make straight. And go back to 𝐸𝐸𝐶𝐸, same movement. Hands exactly, again one line, okay? Relax the elbow, relax the shoulder. From this movement, okay? This movement, we go this way. Here, like strong. 60-40 again. The right hand push back, not up anymore. Shift 60-40, open the hip. Upper body straight, hip inside, and the shoulder comes slightly forward. The hand look to the center, okay? The elbow is round. So now I want to show you the rhythm control. Watch closely how the sequence follows the explosive, hard, and the soft parts, okay? Slowly. So, soft, strong, soft, relax, strong, and now we turn the hip and the hand follow the movement and turn gombo, straight, okay? And now at the same line, we step forward. We don't go up, okay? One common mistake here is that you go up and then push down. Be careful, no. From the gombo posture, you keep the high, you step, you rotate the hip in circular motion and the leg come in circular motion from the inside, like this. And the hand look here. Open and twist the hip, okay? And now step one more, change, step over, the hip turn to the right. Now turn the hip to the left, and the right hand come over, and we go into pubu. After pubu, we turn the hand. We step forward. Now step long, gombo, right hand up, and step with the left leg close. And we finish the sequence, okay? So watch closely one more time, okay? We're starting from here. 1, 2, 𝐸𝐸𝐶𝐸, 60-40, hand up. combo change. 𝐸𝐸𝐴, 60-40, hand, look down. Turn, same high, left, right, right, 𝐸𝐵, right step, and step close, the left hand up. Now change, and we turn side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 𝐸𝐸𝐴, 60-40, hand up, okay? Turn, combo, 𝐸𝐸𝐴, 60-40, hand is here, elbow round. Turn, dantian, and right step, turn right, turn left, turn right, left hand up. 𝐸𝐵, turn the hand. Oh, from the other side, 𝐸𝐵, we step close. Big step with the left leg, you step slightly inside, okay? The right hand look up again, and the left leg step close, the right hand go up, and we finish the sequence here.